my spirit just refined, like a phoenix from the ash. Find my strength from within.
Okay, what I'm doing is I'm now getting these windows ready for the window sills. I'm going to pour some cement into each and every one of these, go around the whole building, and that will be the platform ready for the stone sills to go on. I've obviously got to do one more there, but I'm just going to do these three and then I'll work my way round.
I'll carry you in my heart, hand in hand, I'll build again. No one tells you all the ways my heart will break and expand.
Okay, that's all done. Welcome to another video. And what I've just done there is put the cement in there ready for the stone window sills to go in. Now I've done this with a slight angle so it tilts forward, so any rain that drops down will run away from the window, and that's one less job. Now all I've got to do is carry on tomorrow going round the other windows and sort this out and work my way around. Now Christina's coming, as you may well know. She's just doing her final week of work with the boys' company and at the CAF, and she'll be here. It's a week for me, but it will be about, I don't know, 3 minutes time for you. So good, I'm glad I've got that done. One less thing to think about. Onwards and upwards, and then onto these ones through here. Good. Right, I'm going home because the guys have come to pick up the engine. Yeah. Okay, that's good. It's running that way ever so slightly. Right, next thing, windowsills. Okay, good. The levels are good on all the windows, and now I've just got to shoot off because I've got a delivery coming, which I think is going to really make Cristina happy, possibly.
So what are you doing here, James?
Your Valentine's present.
What are you doing here, Detlef?
Just watch that. James is not cracking a rib again. He tried to lift them on the truck, but I told him he shouldn't do that as long as he's not healthy.
Oh gosh, so we have these 2 big deliveries, and it's proving quite a problem. We're gonna try and lift that up with a crane. We had to ask for help to the guy that supplies our materials. But yeah, once it's in place, it's going to be wonderful, and we'll let you know what it is.
You look nervous.
I look nervous. I'm not nervous, I'm not lifting it.
We will be proud owners of a jacuzzi.
You don't do things in small ways. 2 at a time, 3 meters wide. Oh. Oh my goodness. Can you push it by hand? Yeah.
Not that heavy.
Right.
There we go, pushed in place. A lot easier than I thought, to be fair. It's ours that is going to be a big problem.
Look at the sky when you're out.
Look at that. I don't think it shows so well in the camera.
Yeah, it doesn't give it any justice, does it?
How big does that look?
Does that fit under the pergola?
Yeah, I think we went a little bit big. You got a lot of work tomorrow. What you got to say about it?
Yes, I have got a lot of work. Hopefully tomorrow night I'll jump in my jacuzzi, relax all the muscles. And now James already shown this, but I wish that gave you the full. That's just amazing. It looks absolutely stunning. Mama's job ahead.
Yeah. 350 kilos. One Linda. One cripple. Right. Let's see. We've got to move this all the way down there. So far so good. This is actually easier than I thought. Was going quite well, but we got a broken wheel.
Oh God! You jinxed it, didn't you? It's going so well. Well, we moved what? 5 meters?
5 meters? We've moved 10.
10 meters.
Yeah. Okay. Plan B.
Plan B.
Need to find something to put there. She's here. Christina's arrived.
So here I am, back at the renovation. It was a long time coming, but we're here now. So it's a lot of little jobs that have been started that we're going to attend to. We have to, I'll have to clean up inside of the electric room because there's lots of fingerprints all over the place on the walls, and a little touching up on there before I can paint it again. Also, we are going to put the window sills in that James has already prepared. As you can see behind me, this front is all ready and prepared to set the window sills, and we take it from there. It's a lot of little jobs that have been started, and now we're gonna go and try and finish them. Hang on. Come. Just need to wash it. Okay, so we just got this stone that is for the kitchen window. I need to clean them and seal it, but just saw this here. Originally, this stone was for the patio door, so the tiles would be set right against here, so this little mark there wouldn't matter. But we going to need to order another one because we cannot use this for a windowsill. It needs to be beveled both sides as well. So we were trying to save a bit of money, but in this case we'll have to get another stone made. But I can go and get the small windows and seal them instead. Nothing is a problem.
Everything's a problem.
Okay, we let them dry and then we'll do another coating.
There's a mark here, roughly.
To both sides.
Okay, one done.
We set the other one up.
Yep. Lovely, darling. Right. So basically just roughly get it there. Okay, clamp. Not too tight. Perfect. Perfect. Right, good. Tighten
Okay.
those up. Yeah.
Right. Done here. So what we've been doing, make sure is level this way, and that way has to be slightly tilted so the rain comes out this way. And you happy with the level?
Yes, I'm happy.
I've got Jonathan's gloves, but I don't know if I can get in his shoes. Let's give it a try here. Yeah, they're very small. Anyway. So. I miss doing this. If I dare say. Done. First job. How do they do it?
Yeah.
Crazy man.
Wait until she sees what I've got for her tomorrow.
Huh?
Nothing. Okay. I've wet this one.
It's wet already.
Yeah.
Done. What next? What's next?
More windowsill treatment.
Yeah, let's do it. Would you like to have me back here?
I love having you here, darling. Yeah, it's wonderful.
Cool.
Just exactly what I need.
Okay. So what's the other one?
There isn't another one
No,
because we've got to render the front, but I'll use that
can
cement.
we use this to render that?
Yeah,
Okay.
not there, around the other side. Okay, that's done. Good, good, good. So now we're going off to fill up the jacuzzi. It's all rather exciting, isn't it, Linda?
Very, very exciting.
There you go. Now I do feel that we got a bit carried away with the size of this because it's huge. And this is just its temporary home for now. Eventually it's going to be housed somewhere else once we decide where it's going to be housed. But look, the view we'll be getting from the jacuzzi, hopefully minus the digger, which is not happy at the moment. The engine's gone back, and we should know in a few days exactly what's going on there. Anyway, I'm going to fill this up with water, and then hopefully tomorrow, once it's warmed up, heated up, we will have our first jacuzzi. Bit extravagant, I know, but what the heck, you only live once. I think this is going to take a while. It's about 1,000 litres of water. Let me show you something. I haven't shown you this house for a while, or have I? I don't know. I'll show you again. I can always edit it out. So these guys are flying along. Yeah, getting there. Little way to go, but slowly changing. It would be nice to have our drive back. What are you doing, crazy? So this plant, which is the graft from that over there, which is doing well, the pot fell over in the wind and it broke. So Christina's now, instead of putting it in a new pot, which we've got a new pot right there actually, she's trying to cable tie it together. I think I'm going to leave the camera on just for entertainment purposes. Huh?
No, I think I'll just put in the new pot.
Yeah, makes more sense. What's up?
It's not that easy. It's not coming out. I'll just leave it for now.
Yeah. On the to-do list?
Yeah. Good morning, new day today. Beautiful. And this morning I set up first thing in the morning to go and get some primer, some paint to start painting these outdoor buildings. And to my frustration, the closest shop that I went to was closed. It's bank holiday. Very, very frustrating. And talking about paint, so we have in mind what we want to paint these the buildings and the main house with. We have in mind a color, but I would like you to give me your opinion, and if this was your place, what color would you choose, taking in consideration obviously the cladding on the walls and also the cobblestones. So let us know in the comments what color you think we should be painting this house.
Anything you want to say?
No. Same shape, different day.
Mesma merda, they are different.
Okay, there we go.
Right, so while Linda's doing that, we've got to get the window sills ready for the next bit. I've got one prepped here. He's ready. Use this level here to here, so once we put the glue down, we can just plonk it in without having to think too hard about it. So that's what we've got to do now. There's two at the back. Unfortunately, this one's not ready because for some reason this is slightly wider. So the windowsill we have, it won't go there, and this was never here, so we've got to order that bit, as I think we said the other day. Anyway, Christina's nearly finished, and we'll start getting these windowsills in as and where we can.
It's done. Let it set a bit.
yeah, it's very warm today.
I think I'll have to come to work in my bikini. What are you doing, mister? What are you doing?
Doing your job.
Well, you didn't give me time. You just went like... So just make some cement
Yeah.
to put on that window, isn't it? With the window sill.
You got the microphone. You have to stay
Yeah.
close. Very quickly, it's time for the essence.
Do you need a hand?
Good. We're good. Good. We're good.
One down, 5 to go. Yeah?
Yeah. Beautiful. Good to see those window sills in. This one here and the one over there. So we've got to carry on with the next one, which is here. Just got to let that dry a little bit, and of course that one. We're getting there slowly but surely. All these little things take time. Yeah, good. As I said, this one we've got to order because this was never going to be here, and this one we've got to order. The one we've got for here, for some reason, this is wider, but the one we got for here can go down here because this window was never going to be there either, so we never ordered that windowsill. But we've got to order one more. We just get it slightly wider to fit there. Right. Happy days. Okay, that's set up. I've just got to glue it in place. It's been a bit of a funny day today because we have some news. Jonathan's mother sadly passed away in the early hours of the morning here, and yeah, that's very sad indeed. And yeah, not a lot I can say about that, but Jonathan and the family are in our thoughts, and yeah. And on the other hand, we also got news this morning that we are grandparents again. We've had the arrival of the twins, mother and babies all doing well, so that's exciting stuff. And as soon as Cristina has joined me, she's now shooting off. They weren't due for a few weeks yet, so Christina's packing, getting ready to go to the UK, and yeah, good news and bad news, or sad news, and yeah, mixed emotions.